All right. Now, one question that I have on my mind is the last time that you played Holi, which is very recently, when was the last time you actually went ahead splashing the colors on your hair without worrying about the damage that's going to happen to your hair?
To be very honest, I think it's not hidden from anybody that an actress's life especially involves a lot of extensive traveling. Especially we're exposed to weather conditions. For example, I was traveling the other day for promotions from Dubai to a Delhi to a London, which is extremely hot to extremely cold, and exposing my hair to, I think, I don't know how much amount of copper from the hard water and all those weather conditions. So I think, so it's very natural for hair to lose that texture, and especially the keratin that we're talking about.
I love my role of an actor, but at the same time, to look glamorous, you have to go through a lot of chemical and heat treatments. I was really scared of trying and experimenting with hair, and I had these rough and dry hair when I shifted to Mumbai. But thanks to the Pantene, it really took care of me in the sense that I took up this 14 days challenge, and on the 5th, 6th day, as Yami said, it did start improving, and now I'm not scared of taking up any challenges.
Good afternoon, everybody. And I have to make an echo of what Ayami and Mahi said, because it's, our lives are very, very drastic in terms of what it goes into the hair. Like, every time, as you said, it's ironing, heating, this, that, traveling, exposure to so much of sun and all that. So always we have these damages. So my hair is always very frizzy and dry. So this time, I'm really lucky to have Pantene, new improved Pantene with me, because it has really given a luster and, body to my hair.
I think there's nothing like being a girl with, you can flaunt her hair and all that. So I'm sure they're jealous of us somewhere. And it'll be interesting to see all them going through all that. I think it'll be very interesting. But apart from that, yes, that's very right. I think our profession demands that grilling and that whole, I think, unapologetic torture that goes, through the hair, from ironing and blow drying and products and even the lights that we work, and they're not really healthy
That's
for your
very
hair.
important.
Yeah, so you name it. And so I think that's where it's really come to a rescue. I think I really felt a difference. And
For a very long time, I did it once, and it went really bad, wrong. But this time, after the, now when I colored my hair and I used the Pantene, I think it didn't make much of a difference. And it's become healthier and nicer and very smooth. I mean, the hair became very rough initially, but after using Pantene, I think you can see my hair, you can feel it. They're really soft and nice.
Sergi, I'm going to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, we have the countdown going. 13, 14. Wow. 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 50. Woo! Okay, yeah. Okay. She's already feeling strong. In fact, the hair is also feeling strong. And we have already started with the second dare that's been tweeted by Amina. For 15 seconds, she's going to be blow drying her hair. And then we're going to check. Yami is going to be doing the honors again. It's like straight out of a movie shot.
I think they go hand in hand. I think I like to start that, yes, I am very much from that old school of, Dadi Ma ke nuske and all that. And I think they never fail. But then I think shampoo is also very important in considering the amount of hassles we have in everyday life, for our hair to combat. I think a good shampoo is also must. So I think, in fact, I also include good diet, good food, with your natural remedies and a good shampoo. They all go hand in hand. So yeah, thank you.
I used to oil my hair regularly. That was really important. I was in a hostel. In hostel, they make chotiya and all, So yes, I used to take care of my hair a lot. But now, obviously, yes, I don't get much time. But I do try to get a hair spa done. But Pantene has really helped me a lot.
Thank you.
Very, very particular about the hair. So she used to actually use coconut oil every time, and she used to put on my hair. That's one thing I remember. And my mom was always, she's always dissatisfied with my hair. Anytime I'm going for a haircut, she's upset. Anytime I'm coming with a nice style, she's upset. So she's always, she used to put some, sort of herbal things like shikakai and all that, long before. But now, I think shampoo is the only remedy I can think about, and Pantene has done it all, because Pantene has given us the best options and the best remedies, and it has been taking care of us in a very good way. So I'm very thankful to Pantene.
Thank you so much.
आई थिंक जहाँ तक कि पैंटीन के बाद की बात है, तब से देखा है पैंटीन को यूज़ किया जब से बहुत छोटे थे. वी आर सीन माय मदर्स यूजिंग इट, वी सीन व्हाइल ग्रोइंग अप. तो वो एक इमोशनल फैक्टर डेफिनेटली बहुत ज़्यादा प्ले करता है, बिकॉज रिलेटेबिलिटी फैक्टर बहुत बढ़ जाती है. एंड एज फार एज द ब्रांड इज कंसर्न, ऑफ कोर्स एवरीबडी नोज कि एक एक्टर की लाइफ में कितना ज़रूरी होता है बाहर एक्सटेंसिव आउटडोर्स पे शूट करना, बाहर जाना, और अलग तरह का वेदर कंडीशंस और डस्ट और पोल्यूशन और हेयर ड्राई, आइनिंग एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ. तो उसके बावजूद तब भी हाउ टू कीप अप विद द हेल्थ केयर. सो दैट्स वेयर पैंटीन इज कम, and with the new and improved, in fact, Pantene with KDBs to protect the keratin in the hair. And so yeah, and it's really worked because we use the challenge, the 14 hair day challenge, 14 days, and it works.
It used to happen earlier because शैम्पू करते थे और एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करने से भी बहुत डरते थे, बिकॉज जैसे हम एक्टर्स हैं सब लोग, हम लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा ब्लो ड्राइंग और हीट ट्रीटमेंट्स करने पड़ते हैं, तो डर लगता था. लेकिन थैंक्स टू पैंटीन का जो नया इम्प्रूव्ड आया है पैंटीन, उससे काफ़ी फ़र्क पड़ा है. बिकॉज उसके बाद मैंने देखा कि मैंने बाल अपने कलर किए हैं लेकिन बहुत सॉफ्ट रहे हैं. सो दैट मीन्स के पैंटीन बहुत ही बेहतर और अच्छा है.
आप तीनों से जाना चाहिए के साथ कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा आप तीनों का?
तो डर होता है अंदर कि व्हेन यू ट्राई समथिंग न्यू एंड व्हेन यू एक्चुअली डेयर टू डू समथिंग विथ योर हेयर व्हिच इज सो प्रेशियस, एक बार चले जाएंगे तो और वापस नहीं आएंगे. तो आई थिंक वी हैव एक्चुअली हैड दिस चैलेंज वेरी वी फेस दिस चैलेंज वेरी ब्रेवली. और मुझे लगता है कि हेयर डेयर के बाद हम लोग को इतना अच्छा लगा और इतना सेटिस्फैक्शन मिला कि इट्स आई मीन वी नेवर फेल्ट इट बिफोर, आई बिलीव सो, लाइक सो